Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications coming from the website wmhgqg.com. wmhgqg.com is the website that tries to trick its visitors into clicking on a special allow button, supposedly to help them watch the video. But believe me, it is a mistake to click on allow. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked. First, you may be redirected to some other deceptive content. Plus, you may be also brought to some filthy websites that are not suitable for certain categories of people. And because of that, you may also start receiving a lot of advertisements that will be displayed in the right part of your computer screen. So if you have clicked on the allow button, that was definitely a mistake, and this mistake needs to be urgently fixed. Go to the menu of the browser, go to settings, choose privacy and security, then site settings. Go to permissions, choose notifications, and pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. You need to carefully research all these websites that are permitted to send such notifications, and you need to remove them from this list. If you don't remove them, you will see these multiple ads on your screen. So click on this button and remove these junk advertisements completely. To make sure that your computer is free of any other hidden threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.